What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, hoping you guys are doing very well today. Thanks for stopping by. I know it's actually been a minute since I put out a video. So we're gonna jump right in. We're gonna go ahead and talk about today's video. I wanted to introduce you guys to a company called Teslaunch. They are a predominant company in the Tesla accessory community, and they sell a bunch of stuff for your Tesla. One of the common problems amongst Tesla owners is curbing your rims. Now, Teslaunch has introduced a rim protector. It's an all-in-one unit that essentially covers the entire edge of the rim and a little part of it a little closer to the middle. What it's designed to do is to protect your rim in the event that you curb it, and the case itself takes the damage and it protects your OEM rim. What we are looking at today is going to be the popular 19-inch Geminis. Most of you that actually own this rim, Tesla provides an entire rim cap that you put over the rim. In my opinion, it doesn't look very good. So what a lot of people end up doing is they just remove that cover. So with the product that Teslaunch introduced here, it's an all-in-one unit that essentially snaps right in, protects your edge. In addition, they provide you a center cap that matches perfectly well to the silver paint of the rim, and they also include some black bolt covers that you can put over all of your bolts. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Here we have the 19-inch Geminis with the OEM wheel covers. All you're going to do essentially is just to pull these off, and you saw how quick that is. Normally they just clip here through here, so these are off. Now we have the edge rim protectors. The most crucial thing with this one here is the very back. You can do double-sided tape if you want to, but they clip on and it is very secure. Keep in mind when you are installing these, here is the valve stem. The rim edge protector itself, it actually has a valve stem that you match up. So all you're going to do here is you're just going to press like such. You can actually hear them clip in. And that is all to the installation. I'm going to show you how secure they are. I'm trying to pull it off. It will not come off. You literally have to unclip each one to remove these. And once again, the beauty with the rim case here is it protects the edges of the rims exceptionally well. So if you curb it, you protect your OEM rim. You can pull this off and put a brand new one in. One last thing I did forget to mention, you do and are provided center caps, because once you pull the covers off, there is no cap. So all you do, you're going to take it in and you just press it like such. There you go. It is 100% complete. Just make sure to remove the little plastic film that is protecting it. With the product finally installed on the 19-inch Gemini, what did you guys think? In my opinion, I wouldn't chalk it up as something that is a must-have for the Tesla, but I do believe this is on the higher end of the list of items that you should have on your Tesla. It definitely protects the 19-inch Geminis very well. You saw that the silver color of the rim, it goes exceptionally well with the stock look of the Gemini. You also did notice that it does also come in a dark gray, so if you like that contrast look, you can also do it. Now, another thing that I did not show you guys that is an option, you can go ahead and put that all-in-one rim protector on. It will also accept the stock Gemini cover, so you can actually sandwich in there, and then you've got an ultra level amount of protection. But in all honesty, I wouldn't do it. It's just an option. You can just do the one-piece cover on it and call it a day. If you are interested in doing something like this to your Tesla, I will provide a link below so that you can go ahead and order this directly from Teslaunch. And as usual, my automotive fanatic family, I want to go ahead and thank you for stopping by, checking out another quick video. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm working extra hard to get up to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And every day we're slowly inching there. So thanks again for supporting my channel. Until the very next time, this is Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off.